In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up rental income accounts in QuickBooks Online using the chart of accounts. This is a simple setup that makes your rental revenue easy to track and report, whether you manage one property or several. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and logging into your account. You'll want to be using a profile that has permission to manage the chart of accounts, so you can add new accounts without any issues. Once you're in, look over to the left navigation and click Accounting. This takes you to the area where all of your company's accounts live. From here, select Chart of Accounts. Think of the chart of accounts as the backbone of your bookkeeping. It's the list that tells QuickBooks where to put every dollar you record. Next, click the New button to create a fresh account. We're setting up a place specifically for rental income so that it shows up correctly on your profit and loss and stays separate from other types of revenue. In the Account Type field, choose Income. This tells QuickBooks that money posted to this account increases your revenue totals, not your assets or liabilities. Under Detail Type, pick the option that best matches rental income. Revenue. General works great for most landlords, and service fee income can also fit depending on how you label your rent. Don't stress too much over this choice. It mainly affects how the account is grouped on reports. Now give the account a clear, memorable name, such as Rental Income. If you track multiple properties, consider using names like Rental Income, Main Street, or Rental Income, Unit A, to keep things tidy and easy to filter later. Consistent naming helps a lot when you run reports at tax time or compare performance across properties. When everything looks good, click Save. Your new rental income account is now ready to use. Going forward, you can categorize rental payments to this account so they flow neatly into your profit and loss and other financial reports. If you manage several properties or different types of rent, just repeat these same steps to create additional income accounts for each one. Keeping income separated will make your books cleaner and your reporting more insightful. And remember, consistent categorization saves time during reconciliation and makes year-end prep a breeze. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.